2, 3 times 14 ocean. We're out with the complainant.
Is he still out there?
Who's she?
He. Jordan.
Who's he?
His name is Jordan Crawford.
Oh, why is he not supposed to be here, ma'am?
He doesn't live here. He's my ex-boyfriend, and
Okay.
he's not supposed to be here. I threw him out about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
And I told him not to come back. Well, he called and he didn't have a place to sleep, so I let him sleep. I said, you have to leave in the morning. And he won't leave. He will not leave, and this is what the problem was last time. I will never let him in my house again, ever.
Okay.
Ever,
Don't do it. But he's not. I mean, he can't be in your house, but
No.
he can be in the complex unless he's been trespassed from here. Do you know if he's been trespassed from here?
Not yet. He will be. He was down at the neighbor's house. They called me.
Okay.
I don't know which neighbor, because I don't know any of my neighbors,
Okay.
but he's been out here since.
And he's your ex-boyfriend?
Uh-huh.
Have you thought about obtaining an order of protection?
Another one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the other one expired in October, I believe.
Okay.
So it's
So
not
that
active
would
currently.
be a.
But he currently has a warrant.
Hey, Jordan. Come. Hey, what's behind your back, dude?
It's a gun.
You have a gun?
You want to see?
Don't do that.
Oh, come on, I got it in this tree.
Don't do that, bro.
Right now. Let me get one of
He's saying he's got a gun.
people. Hey, man. Let me get you one of those knuckle people so no one gets killed.
Hey, don't do that, bro.
This doesn't matter.
Jordan, don't do this. Jordan, don't do this.
Fucking nightmare.
Jordan, don't do this. Jordan, show us your hands right now, brother.
Ready.
Show me your hands right now, brother.
Who wants to kill someone tonight?
I don't want him going into that street.
All right, who wants to kill someone tonight?
Jordan, we don't want to kill you, dude.
Vehicle traffic stopped just missing Crawford as he crossed the street. Officers were able to contain him as he reached the east sidewalk. Once he got to the sidewalk, Crawford stopped and leaned forward and began to yell with his hand behind his back. He swiftly pulled his hand out from his back, and the officers reacted to the threat. Here's one of the body-worn camera videos from the shooting.
No, just a part of my dream. Stop right there.
Jordan, stop it right now, brother. Stop.
Okay, who's gonna kill someone tonight?
Stop.
You decide.
Stop.
You decide. You decide.
Jordan.
5, 4,
Stand back.
3,
Hey, stand
2.
back. Bryce, stand back.
Jordan. 998, 998.